This is exactly how our online worldwide lash training works from start to finish. First things first, you're going to purchase our course on our website, and then right from there, you'll get connected to our student portal right away. This is where you're going to watch and learn hours and hours of lash theory. You can write down any questions that you have throughout the process. The great thing about taking our course is you don't only have one educator, you have two, which means you get double the advice and double the techniques when learning to lash. While you're in the process of watching your video modules, your kit will already be on its way to you. Since you have access to the video modules right when you sign up, you don't have to wait for your kit to arrive to start learning. The great thing about our online worldwide lash training is that it can be done at your own time and at your own pace. There is no deadlines and there is no due dates. After you're finished watching all the video modules, you're first going to be practicing a lash set on your mannequin head. You're then going to practice on 3 live models doing a classic, a hybrid, and a volume set as well. After completing all of these sets, you're going to submit your homework to us as you can see here. You'll have an instruction sheet so you know exactly what to submit and when to submit it. And then as you can see, we are going to mark and grade your work, give you feedback on anything that you need to do better or things that you've done great. This also comes with lifetime mentorship. And when you're fully done, you'll receive your certificate of completion.